Are you ready? Are you ready to learn how to make your face look this good? Ugh. Why do I do these things to embarrass myself? So today I'm going to show you how I achieve this everyday look. It takes me about 15 to 20 minutes in the morning. It's super easy, and when you're on the go and you want something that looks a little bit like I just tried but I didn't look, this is what I recommend for everyone. I've been using a lot of Becca cosmetics, really obsessed. I'm really getting into their cosmetic line. Like, I'm using the Becca Skin Love, what else? Their highlighter, just a couple of their products that really is good for your skin and leaves that skin looking natural, dewy, and glowy. So, oh, I can't forget, Be a Light. Look at this beautiful palette. Look at the packaging, first of all. This is the essential palette to achieving this look. Now, I'm not sponsored, and yeah, you can probably tell because I have like no followers, but I highly recommend their products if you haven't tried it out yet. And if you don't have them, it's okay. You can still achieve this look by using other products. Yeah, stay tuned if you want to learn the tips and tricks by moi. Alright, so we're going to start off by priming the face. I'm using Becca First Light Primed Filter. Just a pump. And then I'm going to use the back of my hand and my fingers all over the face, on the eyes as well. And then going straight into the skin with the Becca Skin Love. Just a pump. And then I'm actually mixing it with Maybelline's Fit Me Matte and Pore. The reason why I'm doing this is because the dewiness of the Skin Love, I love it, but it honestly makes my skin look like I just got out of the swimming pool like 2 hours after I apply it. So just to kind of mix the technology of the dewy and a little bit of the matte, I think it gives a really nice finish and it makes my skin not look wet. Then with a beauty blender, starting in the center of my face, I'm just going to dab. Then with my favorite Tarte Shape Tape, I'm basically out of both of these, but we're gonna use them until I get every last drop. So Tarte Shape Tape in light medium and in light neutral. One color is a little bit lighter than the other, and I'll show you how I use that. Basically applying the darker shade all over, and then just in the inner corner going in with the lightest shade and just brightening up the whole face. And just blend all that out. Like I mentioned, my face is quite oily. So to make this last throughout the day, I'm going to use my RCMA translucent powder, and just with this small sponge, just applying it first under the eyes, and then I'll be applying it on my T-zone area. And then on my face, I'm using this beautiful palette by Becca, Be a Light. First off, the packaging, like, oh, look at this. It's like rose gold. I'm cleaning it up for you. And if you can see, these are blurring powders, and this is a bronzer, and I'm obsessed with this cheek color right here, this blush color. It has a little bit of warmth to it. It looks like you just came from the beach. I'll show you. So starting off with this lightest shade in the palette, it's gonna brighten underneath the eye and the high points of my face. Around my face, I'm gonna use this darker color. By the way, if I didn't mention, this is the medium dark palette. Putting that aside, I'm gonna bronze up my face with my favorite multicolored Physicians Formula bronzer. On my nose, I simply just tap a little bit on the brush, squeeze together, and lightly go on the sides of my nose. To lift up the nose a little bit, you just add a little bit of powder on the end. For blush, I'm going back with this Becca Be a Light palette, and oh, this is my favorite. Smile and just on the apples of your cheeks. I like to put my blush in like little circles so it stays kind of in that general region, just to brighten up the face and give it a healthy glow. A little bit on the forehead, the nose, and the chin. Using this, it's a little bit older, this multicolored brunette blush, just for us brunette ladies. I'm sure it looks good on blondes too. It's by Physicians Formula. I'm gonna add a little bit more color. I love blush. It just makes you look youthful. On the eyes, using a fluffy brush, going in with that bronzer color, and just little circles in your crease. Onto the eyebrows, using the one and only Anastasia. I'm gonna use just her eyebrow brush, and I'm just combing up my little hairs. I like to get a little bit of the pomade, put it on the cap, and take a little bit at a time. What I'm doing is I'm starting off in the middle and then just bringing it to the tail end and doing an outline of how I want my eyebrows to go, and then I fill it in. I swear that felt like it took a lifetime, because it always does. Alright, so with the eyebrows, I go back in with this NARS concealer and a flat brush. This one's from Morphe. It's M124, excuse me, and then I like to put just a little bit. Girls, I don't want to see your concealer around your eyebrows. Just clean it up lightly. With this concealer, you barely need to touch it, and you'll get so much pigment and use out of this for like months, I swear. Top it all off with the Anastasia Tinted Brow Gel. If you saw before, I barely have like color to my eyebrows, so this just makes it look more natural. Going in with my favorite Miami Lillylashes with my duo glue in black. Big dramatic lashes on an everyday look makes it look like you tried so hard to put on your makeup when you actually didn't. It just gives it just an extra oomph. While that's drying, we're just gonna curl the lashes and then apply a little bit of mascara on them. Going in with this Maybelline the Colossal Big Shot, and I'll tell you what, love the gold and love the formula. Watch, I have like no eyelashes. Now I have all the lashes, and if you want to make them more dramatic, let it dry for like 30 seconds and then go back and add some more mascara, and it just adds more length and volume. Waking up my eyes a little bit. Going in with this Rimmel, it's a cream colored eyeliner, just putting it all over the waterline. This little trick I learned by Tyra Banks, the OG of OGs, like Can I Be Her? And I do it every single day. It makes your eyes look brighter and bigger, and we're gonna add lashes, so it's just gonna pop. Pop it on. I already look like the girl next door with these lashes because, like, who is she? Who am I? Like, imagine if you run into a guy that you think is super cute. All you have to do is, you got his attention right away. Like, he's gonna fly away with your lashes. Like, oh, love. Pucker up, baby, because it's overlining time. With Nutmeg by NYX, I'm just gonna overline my lips, and up here, I'm just gonna line them like at the cupid bow of my lips a little bit higher, and then bring them down to the natural curvature on the side. This way you get a nice puckered lip look. I don't have injections, so I'm just gonna give the illusion that I have the duck face because it's cute. Oh, let me tell you, I'm using Matte Tender by Milani. I already broke this lipstick like I break all my lipsticks. For the ultimate glow, one of my favorite tricks is to use a liquid highlighter and then put a highlighter on top and then spray my face and then put some more highlighter. So just watch. A bump of the Becca Shimmery Skin Perfector Liquid and Champagnepop. Dab the excess off the sponge. And I'm just going on the high points of my face. On top of my eyebrows, chin, nose, and lips. Now with a fan brush and Anastasia's Amrezy, which is so gorge, dusting that on where I put the liquid highlighter. For my nose, I use my hands. I'm also going to apply it onto the top of my brow bone and the inner corner of my eye. On top of the lips, I think I'm gonna add this Dahling gloss by bareminerals. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm feeling a little glossy. Ooh, that's a nice combination. Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Then I'm going back with my fan brush and adding more highlight. So here you have it, babes. This is my morning routine makeup. It's super easy and it has a nice dewy finish on the skin and just makes you look vibrant, alive, beautiful, glowing like a superstar. Yeah, tell me what you think. Comment, like, subscribe, you know, all that good jazz. And can't wait to see you in my next video. I'm gonna try this thing that Taylor Swift always does. Do you feel the love? I feel the love whenever she does it, so.